First, though, Florida's special session taking aim at the issues surrounding the struggling home insurance market. It's an issue we have spotlighted time after time here on News 6. Homeowners getting wake-up calls with premiums sometimes tripling in price, or they just get dropped altogether. Glad you're with us tonight. I'm Matt Austin.
And I'm Ginger Gadsden. Due to a number of issues, the state-backed Citizens Insurance has now become the largest property insurer in Florida. News 6 investigator Louis Bolden joins us now live. And Louis, legislators want to see changes to Citizens.
They do, and the bills Republicans have introduced definitely reflect that. Citizens was never meant to be as large as it is. Meantime, Democrats say they cannot get behind what's on the table.
So this is real. This is serious. We are at a crisis level.
In the Senate Committee on Banking and Insurance, the debate over Senate Bill 2A on property insurance quickly turned along party lines.
I want to support the bill, but there's not enough in it that has convinced me that I can today.
Like the last special session, Democrats believe the bill favors insurance companies and not consumers.
Hardworking families like myself and my family, my 85-year-old mother-in-law. This bill doesn't do anything to help them, not by a long shot.
Senate Bill 2A would make many improvements to current laws governing the state-backed Citizens Property Insurance Corporation. Republican Senator Jim Boyd sponsored the bill.
It amends laws which increases the eligibility criteria for insured to be insured by Citizens.
Citizens has ballooned to more than 1.1 million policies, and Republicans say the goal is to send some policyholders back to the private insurance market. The bill requires that upon renewal with Citizens, if a homeowner can find coverage 20% more expensive than Citizens,
they have to take that private insurer, but we don't know what that cost is.
Citizens would also be allowed to charge higher rates for second, non-homesteaded homes.
It requires Citizens to be actuarially sound and non-competitive so that Citizens is not competing with the private market.
House Minority Leader Fentrice Driscoll says Democrats were largely left out of the process.
We were trying to provide as much input as possible, but unfortunately, this has not been a process that has allowed for our input in a robust way and in the way that I think Floridians expect the legislative process to work.
Barry Gilway, the president, CEO, and executive director of Citizens, released a statement saying this is historic legislation that addresses so many critical issues that have plagued the Florida market for many years. Now, the big question consumers want to know is, will your rates decrease? Two industry analysts say definitely not in the coming year, where they predict increases of 30 to 40% in some cases. Ginger?
Those are incredible numbers. Louis, thank you. And just this past weekend on The Weekly, morning anchor Justin Wormuth spoke with Tom Cotton from Hugh Cotton Insurance about what he believes needs to happen in this special session. He also talks about why the current market is not sustainable. You can find the episode on the homepage of clickorlando.com and the News 6 Plus app for your smart TV.